Let's talk about balance. Visual balance is different from physical balance. Visual balance is going to be how much each item that you painted evens out with the other. Meaning that when you paint a picture of a dog and a cat, it's not a giant 10-foot red dog that's drawing all of your attention to the point where you don't notice the little white cat. Visual balance means everything gets looked at equally. Let's look at an example. Here I've got two very different photographs of a basketball. Let's go ahead and look at this first one over here. Your attention is drawn to the basketball. That is your focus. The next thing you look at is right above it, the basketball hoop. Both of those are right in the center. One is at the top of the canvas, one is at the bottom. The basketball has more emphasis because it's in focus. However, the basketball is not overwhelming the whole picture. The trees in the background keep this photograph from being unbalanced. If all of the attention was right here in the center, it would be off balance. Compared to the other photograph, the basketball is now in the corner. It's not nice and centered. There's not something neat and tidy above it. We have this empty space right here. You could argue that maybe this is a little bit unbalanced, except we have so much going on here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus people. We have a lot of people going on up here to balance out this basketball. If these people were in focus, then this might be unbalanced because we would be looking at these people and there would be a conflict of interest for our eyes. Now let's compare this to Salvador Dali. Salvador Dali's Persistence of Memory is a famous painting. You have a lot going on over here in this corner, like a lot. We've got melting clocks, we've got ants, we've got whatever this thing is, we've got this, we've got the tree, we've got the square, we've got this thing over here. There's a lot going on compared to what's going on over here. Almost nothing. All of the visual balance in this piece is in the corner. All of the balance is over here. If this was a scale, it would look like this. With everything being on one side and nothing being on the other, we consider that out of balance. A very skilled artist can play with balance, but in general, you want to make sure that your painting is always balanced as best you can in order for it to be successful and look comfortable and completed to our eye. Here's an oversimplification of what balance looks like. A balanced painting has something in all sections. They are all similar colors, similar shapes. An unbalanced painting may have something that draws your emphasis, draws your attention to one section. Maybe they do that with color. Maybe they do that with size. Either way, they've skillfully unbalanced the painting. However, this can very easily become a painting from something that looks nice and balanced to something crazy that's going to make everyone uncomfortable to look at it.